Ciao, buongiorno! Today we are reviewing some Italian gadgets. Boys, you excited?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're very excited because we know what's coming.
We have a chef, we have a normal, we have 4 Italian gadgets. Let's get to it.
Right, boys. First gadget, lift it.
Oh, hello, what's that?
It's so
I like
shiny.
a good spoon, and I feel like that is an excellent one.
Oh. Yes. I was thinking, do you hook pasta in? No, because then you can't get it off.
Yes, but it's not big enough because
No.
no one's ever doing that small portion of spaghetti.
Boys, close enough! This is the Va Bene Pasta Tester. It's used for scooping out single pieces of pasta for testing.
So we were both right and wrong.
okay.
You said what it was used for, and I said it can't possibly be for that because it would only pick up a single strand. There we
Perfecto! Perfecto!
Can we try it?
We have to, don't we? You'll find straight away that the long stainless steel handle which you can dip from a distance without any risk of burning yourself.
This is a problem that doesn't need fixing because I'm guessing. Oh,
Ebbers,
Are
you left-handed?
Its shape means it works well as a spoon as well, so you can spoon out.
Are you doing this on
tortellini
purpose?
or
You
some
must be doing this on
ravioli.
purpose.
no. What's weird is because it's weighted here. As soon as you put weight on here and this, it moves. It slides.
It just takes some getting used to.
I mean, I think this is setting up this gadget to fail because this you could do with a spoon.
Yeah.
No, you can't because the spoon hasn't got a hole in the middle of it. It would capture some water, wouldn't it?
Like fishing. I mean, it's good because then you can you can test it now.
How many Italian households genuinely have something like this?
It's a relatively new invention. It was designed by Milan-based Miriam Miri and was a winner of the 2006 Fritz Henkel Award for Innovation.
And she's an incredible designer who has designed some amazing, beautiful items for the home. Do you only have functional things in your kitchens? Or do you not have things that do a job but also go over and above? I have a bottle opener that is in the shape of a lobster. And it's and I bought it when we were on honeymoon.
You are Mr. Novelty.
Yeah,
Wow.
no, but it's not a novelty.
Is it also
it's
magnetic
not a
to
novelty.
stick to your fridge?
It's not a novelty bottle opener. It's a decorative bottle opener that does
Yeah, no,
a
I
job.
get that, I get
And
that,
I
I
will
get
choose
that.
to use that over and above a normal bottle opener.
If I have a single-use thing, it's got to be so frequently used in that single use, it warrants it.
What would you pay for that very decorative and effective spaghetti spoon?
Keeping with the format, we'd like your answer in euros. We'll do the conversion.
€9.
This, €12, but only when it's got a nice bit of packaging on it and it's hanging in a gift shop. Ah, okay, I take it back. I realise what this is now. This is a massively over-engineered thing of beauty. I'm going to increase because of the box, €13.
I'm going to actually increase mine to €25.
Whoa!
Because now I think it's the gift market.
Done the conversion. It's €32.83.
£28.
I was close with my second guess.
It's a collector's item. I can't imagine anyone uses it regularly.
So, question is, the Va Bene Pasta Tester, will you be saying buongiorno or pasta la vista?
Pasta la vista, baby.
I can't
Look at me when you said baby.
Over to you in the comments. Let us know, what do you think? Sollevare la cloche. Lift the cloche in Italian.
They worked it out. I think they worked
Oh,
it
right,
out.
fine.
Oh,
Ooh,
So we've got 2 separate ones here for you.
it's like we're in a primary school band.
and I reckon this is for pushing pasta off, possibly gnocchi, otherwise pushing different shapes off to give you that texture.
Boys, you're very close. Ebbers, you have the gnocchi paddle. This is a garganelli and gnocchi ridger and paddle. Allows you to shape pasta on gnocchi dough and create the iconic ridges found on many pasta products.
You comfortable?
Exactly the angled base. I don't know which way you hold it, but yeah, it does exactly that.
What about this angry chap?
Mike, that is the tagliatelle rolling pin. It's crafted from hornbeam wood, designed to cut strips of tagliatelle from sheets of fresh pasta. Do you want to give them a go?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
So we've given you a couple of balls of fresh pasta dough. Ebbers, we want you to make garganelli. So it's the traditional pasta shape to have with ragu, which I didn't know. So Mike, all you're going to do is roll the pin along a sheet of fresh pasta, applying pressure for the extruded notches to cut the pasta into thin strips.
I mean, this is a one and done, so if I mess this up, it's over.
You've got to have really strong arms.
It's so satisfying.
So Ebbers, to make your garganelli, you're going to dust the paddle and rolling pin with flour, then take a 2-inch square piece of pasta dough and lay it on the ridged paddle with a corner pointing towards you. You'll take your rolling pin and starting from the corner nearest you, roll the pasta around the rolling pin until the dough forms a closed tube. Slide carefully off the pin and set aside on a lightly floured surface whilst you make the rest.
As a first go, I'm not very happy with that. It's really
It
thick.
looks good.
You know what I'm like with single-use kitchen gadgets? I'm always like, there is no space in my kitchen for something that does one thing. But for some reason, this falls into a different category for me because it's more of an art form and a tradition. And if you do want this style of pasta, I don't know how else you could do it. And everyone will tell me I'm doing this wrong.
Oh, you wait till they get to me, Ebbers.
All the nodders in the comments, please!
And then do you... Making fresh pasta is always therapeutic, but this is really satisfying.
What it has done, because of the roll, is it's not a clean cut.
No.
By doing this, you get this rougher edge. Now that rougher edge is doing exactly what this is doing when it comes to pasta sauce, giving more for sauces to cling to. Mike, I'm going to cook yours.
Good, because I'm bored. That looks great.
Does look really
Look
good.
at what I did.
As do mine. Now mine are going to take more cooking than yours, so I should have put them in first. Good Spanish olive oil and the Romans' favourite seasoning.
Very tasty.
Is that easier?
I don't know. I wouldn't say it's easier. I think it's more fail-safe.
This particular type of pasta is definitely a thicker pasta because of the way it overlaps.
Okay, then boys, let's talk price. How much are we thinking for the spaghetti rolling pin?
Gotta be 12 euros.
14 euros.
Ooh, €5, 85 cents.
That's a bargain.
Bargain.
£99.
I'll tell you what, that Spanish olive oil is absolutely delicious.
And how much are we thinking for the gnocchi and garganelli rolling pin?
8 euros.
Michael?
5.
Somewhere in the middle, €7 and 2 cents.
They are very
£5.99.
affordable wooden gadgets that can bring hours and hours and hours of therapeutic play in the kitchen.
The spaghetti rolling pin and the gnocchi and garganelli roller. Are you going to keep rolling with them or gnocchi?
What the
Wow! Wow!
Comment down below if you've got a better option. I'm absolutely going to keep rolling, pressing and rolling.
Rolling. What?
Are you going to keep rolling? Let us know.
Boys, next one.
Ta-da!
I'm intrigued what I think this might be.
Put that in upside down.
Yeah, that's
put,
curved.
Put it in the other way. Therefore, we now have a dome in the top, around the side and the bottom. So whatever is in there is now completely spherical. What I don't understand is that.
Oh,
No.
felt that.
So, a ball of mozzarella.
No,
buffalo
I bought, got it.
Has he?
Yeah, penny
Go on,
drop.
look it in.
risotto.
It's an arancini thing.
Oh, boys and girls, he might have done it. This is an arancinotto, used to make the Sicilian arancini. So the Sicilian arancini, like world famous, it's that little teardrop shape. This one is the shape of a ball.
Here's the box. You'll see they do come in all sorts of different shapes.
Oh my goodness.
Ready to make the perfect arancini ball?
Absolutely.
Yes, like our perfect pasta.
Oh, so what have we got here? So what rice is this?
You've got a ragu that Kush has just whipped up for you. You've got some amazing fresh risotto rice with saffron. And then you have to shape it in there and then pan and deep fry.
Oh my word.
Get in. That is effective.
Wow, that was a reaction.
Oh my word!
Slid in.
That just slid in,
And it
popped
parted
out,
like
and
the
I've
Red
got the
Sea.
perfect cavity now to pop in Kush's ragu. It's not bad.
First attempt, that's pretty good.
That shaping and filling process already seemed a lot quicker and simpler than
A lot less messy.
than when we've tried to do it before.
It was just really simple and well designed.
Very satisfying.
Is it?
Wonderful.
Look at those. Okay, ready, lads?
Yeah.
I'm going in. Oh,
Oh, yes,
hello.
well filled.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's saffron rice.
That is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
I don't deep fry very often, if at all, at home. So I never make arancini, which is why a combination of two of my favourite things put together and deep fried makes it the holy grail.
Your learning curve for me was the really interesting part because the first one was good. The second one was twice as good.
That's
And
because Ben did it though.
Twice
Right,
the
fine.
speed,
Right, up yours.
more perfect. Yeah. Up your arancini.
Seriously.
How much did you pay?
€12.
I think that's got 16 euros written all over it.
Oh, I can reveal it is 22 euros.
So it is a lot, twice what I was guessing.
It does exceptionally
So well.
And
It's
really
just
fun to
a
use.
cleverly moulded bit of plastic, so there is a huge margin on that. But you know what?
Let 'em have
I've
it.
never seen anything like it. It does the job, and if I want that in my house, I don't know where else I go to get it.
So, is it a Sicily? Sorry.
Oh.
So, is it a Sicilier or a Aranchinotto? No.
What?
Live with
Aranchinotto.
that once more. Live with that once more.
Is it the Sicilier or the Aranchinotto?
Definitely yay.
There you go.
Yay.
Tells you it works. Comment down below. What do you guys think? Yay or nay?
Room for one more. Numero quattro. Boys,
Quattro formaggio?
give us a lift.
They've not been too cheesy so far, but now they're cheesy.
What? I love it when things come together.
Do you know exactly what this is straight away?
I mean, it says grana panado
Oh, right, okay.
on it. But yes, I do. They're tools to getting into a cheese wheel. We got a whole wheel of.
Boys, these are Grana Padano knives. They're specifically designed for cracking a wheel of Italian hard cheese such as Grana Padano. They're crafted with precision and durability in mind. Our hard cheese knife effortlessly glides through the dense texture of aged cheeses. Its sharp blade and ergonomic handle ensure a comfortable and controlled cutting experience, allowing you to create perfect slivers of Grana Padano.
They feel lovely. They're weighty. They're heavy.
They've got
they're
good
nice.
ergonomic grip. They feel like they've got sharp edges where you need to cut the initial score. What worries me, Mike, is cutting into a wheel of Parmesan is quite an art form. And if you do it wrong, the internet will hate you forever.
Yep.
Do you want to go get that from the fridge?
Oh my. Ebb.
One thing we have learned.
Ebbers!
That's insane!
This is one of the heaviest things. That is bold.
Get it on a shoulder. That's ridiculous.
Hang on, don't go so fast.
Meaty, that's my foot. That's my toe.
Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow.
This is 38 kilograms
This is a footstool.
of Grana Padano cheese. Now, obviously, with a wheel of cheese that big and that expensive, we want to make sure that you cut it properly. Hence the knives, and also hence the video that I'm going to show you.
Excellente. How to cut the wheel. Grana Padano. The incision hooked knife cheese. The hooked cheese knife
So how far? He's
goes
going
right
half.
in the middle and carefully around, splitting Padano.
Right, so cut down the seam in the middle of the cheese. Much like a baby bell, to crack the wheel horizontally, a line is scored with the hook-ended knife.
Come on, Mike. Deeper, I think, yeah.
Yeah, this is hard.
Now, it's important that line is straight because obviously that's going to help us get a perfect half of the cheese.
Nice. And there's your seam. Job done.
Straight.
Nope. No,
Okay.
no.
It's fine.
Job's not done. Do you want to watch the next part of the video?
This is your bit.
This is the insertion, so the almond-shaped knife.
Important to note, you'll notice that he's using two almond-shaped
Yeah.
knives. Yep. The second set of knives that we ordered hasn't turned up yet. So you've got one, but we've seen many, many videos where it's possible to do it with just one almond-shaped knife.
Christ.
Good to see them work their money, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ebbers.
I got it stuck. The first inch feels great, and then it gets really difficult the deeper you go.
No!
Ebbers, Grana Padano say, opening a wheel is like a ritual, a process to be carried out with precision and care. Opening a Grana Padano or Parmesan wheel is considered a
I'll get it in, you get it
ceremonial
out.
process by many, and these tools have been developed in order to respect and celebrate the craftsmanship and tradition behind its creation.
And that is, but it makes it, we're going to have to...
Stop mounting the cheese.
Now go in where it says the brand mark. Maybe that's where it's going to pop. Let me spin over. Going from the other side.
I'm done.
Oh!
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Well done. We're in.
Easy.
Okay, boys, so that's step one. You've got the cheese wheel into half. Now, if you flip one of those halves over, you start the process again, score it, almond knife all the way along, and then split it.
No.
No?
I don't even like cheese.
So this Grana Padano is 9 months aged.
Cheers.
Anyone want to have a guess at the cost of the wheel?
That is delicious,
It's so good.
I would have a clue.
Well, all you can do is do it per kilo. So if you buy a little wedge at the supermarket, 3
200,
quid,
250 grams.
£10 a kilo, £380.
425.
We will use this probably until we die. I mean, what is incredible is who gets the opportunity to do that?
More importantly, the knives, the gadget. They got us in.
So how much do you think we paid for the Parmesan knives?
60 euros.
I was going to say 40.
46 euros and 79 cents, or £39.90.
They do the job, and relative to the price of the cheese, you wouldn't want to get it wrong.
So the Parmesan knives, are they wheelie good?
Yes.
Or are they just a bit cheesy?
They are
Really good.
Well, let us know what you thought. And if you like this video, like this video.
And check out all of the playlists. We've got loads of gadgets from around the world.